Hi, day 17 on how to fix your mental health in 30 days. My name is Michelle Quick, and I'm the owner of liveglad.dk and manifestingnow.com, and I'm a mental health coach. Talking about mental illnesses. A lot of people don't feel that they can talk about their mental illnesses. But the truth is that a big part of the world's population have at one time tried any or more mental illnesses. Do you know someone who ever had depression? Or have you met or heard of someone who have been stressed or have had stress? Have you ever heard of people talking about that they have had or have anxiety? Or have you ever heard anyone talk about schizophrenia or some other mental illnesses? Some people are very good at talking about their mental illnesses, and some people are very good to listen. In my case, for about 12 years ago, I got a depression. My world was different, and I couldn't come into. I didn't like the person that I was, and I didn't like where I was going. So I got a depression. Actually, the way that I helped myself getting out of it was by helping other people. I have always been better at helping everyone else than myself. I don't know if you know that. If you know people like that, please write it in your comment. Even if you're one of them, maybe you're better at helping everyone else than helping yourself. So I started actually liveglad.dk as my helping tool because I posted things about living glad, living happy. And it helped me because it went full circle and it came into my head. And I switched my whole diet around. I became very aware of what helped and what didn't. And then I started speaking about having depression. Later, actually, I've had stress. Maybe you know someone, or maybe you yourself has felt stress at one point. But do you talk about it and do you tell other people? I've had stress. When I had stress, it was so bad that the left side of my body literally closed down. I had my eyesight was less, and I couldn't feel my left side as good as I could feel my right side. I've had panic attacks, anxiety, and really bad, so I couldn't drive a car because my body was tightening up. So I think I'm a very good I have a very good idea of how it feels. And I admit, at first I was embarrassed. Also because when I got anxiety and panic attacks and stress, I was actually teaching other people how to live healthy and what to do with nutrition to not get stressed. Doesn't work that way. We need to do different things, and sometimes things happen. No, things always happen for a reason. But when I started telling people, they actually was surprised that I had depression and stress and anxiety, and it helped them actually to open up. So again, me sharing about my how I have experienced everything actually helps someone else. So talking about mental illness is really, really important, not only for helping you, but for helping other people. Instead of climbing up and it's not a taboo and it's not awful. And if anyone ever tells you that you are wrong because you have a mental illness, just give them my number or my email and I will tell them otherwise. Anyway, this was a longer one. I think it's because it's also very close to my heart. So do share if you know someone or if you are open for sharing your own story. Our stories help others, and it's about helping each other. So talk to people about mental illnesses. If you don't know and you haven't experienced it yourself, be a good listener. Always be a good listener. And take care and stay safe.